Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make chicken donuts. This turned out so delicious. It's more or less like chicken nuggets but in a donut form, and it's so delicious. Your kids will fight with you for this recipe. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in chicken breast, chopped chicken breast, followed by chopped onion, chopped celery, chopped yellow bell pepper. I'm using small. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredient that I'm using here in the comment section. I added in crushed garlic, chopped parsley, and bacon. The bacon that I'm using is totally optional. I then added in chicken seasoning, which is my homemade chicken seasoning. It's in the recipe is on my channel. You can check homemade chicken seasoning, and this took my recipe to heaven. I then added in breadcrumbs and stirred this together. The last ingredient I'll be adding here is cooked potatoes. I'll stir this together till well combined again and add it to my food processor. So like I said, the bacon is totally optional. When you're using bacon, make sure you don't add in much salt, because you know bacon already has a little bit of salt in it, so don't add in much salt. I'll blend this or grind this until it's almost smooth, just like so. I'll then turn it into my mixing bowl. Because my food processor was a little bit smaller, so I divided it into two and then blended half. Later I blended the rest again. To that I'll add in flour, egg, chili powder, vegetable seasoning, and just a little bit of salt. I added in grated cheese as well. So I mix all those ingredients together till well combined. After everything has come together like so, I'll roll it in a donut shape and put it in the freezer for 2 hours. It makes it easier for you to work with. So before putting it in your pan, make sure you brush your pan with a little bit of oil. It makes it easier for you to roll the chicken dough. When done, press it with your fingertips to flatten it, and then use your index finger to create a hole in the middle as demonstrated in the video. That's what you're looking for. It looks ugly here, but once it's coated with the breadcrumbs, it will look beautiful. So I kept it in the freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, go ahead and preheat your oil. As you can tell here, it has frozen. It has frozen. So the first thing I'll do is to coat it in the flour, then the egg wash, and then breadcrumbs. I'll repeat the egg wash and the breadcrumbs twice. So after putting it in the breadcrumbs, I'll then put it back in the egg wash and then to the breadcrumbs again. So you want to make sure it's well coated and make sure they are frozen. If it defroze, it's very difficult to work with, but then if it's frozen, it's much easier to work with. And this is it, guys. This is it. It's very simple and easy and so delicious. So when done, deep fry these bad boys, and in no time they'll be ready, and trust me, your kids will love it, because this was so delicious. My son was all over it. Trust me, when you make it for your family, they will love it. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let this fry for more or less 7 to 10 minutes, or maybe depending on the size of your chicken donut, maybe more or maybe less, and this is ready in no time, guys. So when you get to this point, nice golden brown like this, that means it's ready. Take it off from the fire and serve. So this is it, guys. It's so simple. I went ahead and fried the left four that I have there, and you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, isn't it beautiful? Just look at it. Isn't it amazing? Doesn't look like the real donuts? Just look at it, guys. This goes with any sauce, with mayonnaise, ketchup, barbecue sauce, whatever sauce that you have at home. Trust me, it's so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Try this and send me pictures in the comment section. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.